So what you can also do is add in coffee stains as effects inside of GIMP. So in order to do that, you need to go around onto the filters menu right here. And then what you need to do is you need to go around under decor right here. And here you can see that coffee stain is an option. If I were to go around and click on coffee stain right here, then you can see that I can go around and change the level of stain right here and choose to darken. If I were to go around and press OK right here, then you can see that it adds in a bunch of coffee stains right here. So you can see that it is working around and adding in some stains, and this is what you have. So you can see that these are the coffee stains right here. This is not a coffee stain. This is the coffee stain right here. And you can see that it added in some effect around over here, just like this. You can go around, add in further coffee stains right here, just like this. Let's say, for example, go around onto coffee stain. Let's just not go around onto darken only, and press OK right here, just like this, and it adds in further coffee stains around over here, just like this, as you can see right here. And that is how you can go around and add in coffee stain effect inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.